Are we ready? Okay. My favorite time of the year is definitely December. The mood is merry, the halls are decked, and the events are lined up. Welcome to the Dirty December episode. Streets are saying there are only two options this year. That baller lifestyle or being a mechanic. And Little Miss Money doesn't approve that mechanic thing. So, here are some ways to get the best out of your December. If there's something you want to do with a high price tag, I promise you that there is a cost-efficient alternative. Look for it and do that instead. Secondly, always, and I mean always, have a designated driver and make sure to remind them that they are the designated driver. Thirdly, if an IJGB says let's go somewhere, make sure, and I mean make sure you ask who is paying. That currency and this currency are not the same. Lastly, when that auntie abroad sends Christmas money, don't spend it all in one place. Take some of it and put it. Remember, cold, chilly, long January is right around the corner. But right now, make sure you dirty that December.